And Holy Spirit, amen. Bless us, O Lord, in this thy gift, which we are about to receive by your goodness through Christ our Lord. Amen. And bless full figure to enjoy the meal.
Amen. My brother.
We are robbing your food.
No,
for Kiara.
Come on, just have another seat. Shira, this man is like looking good. You can sit there.
Ragadi.
Why?
Should I?
You change your seat. Another seat is there.
He's together with me.
Hey, you together? Okay. Okay, Mama. What about you?
Same.
Another food?
Same. You know, some of these people may be streaming these things live, so every single moment matters.
You see the love. You see. You see the love. Are you serving me? Even a one day when you didn't take it. Baganda's man, are you serving me even a one day?
So Odonga is serving.
Yeah, Odonga is serving me.
That is what a gentleman should do. It's not very easy to have lunch with a beautiful woman, so you have to do your best.
Where is the
Wow, to my immediate right.
We're enjoying the life.
Where is
To my immediate right.
This is my council.
Yeah.
See our videos. Do you know this?
We are all in the same fraternity.
Council.
My learning friend. Yeah, when did you leave law school? I left in 2011.
Nenda Musila. I'm going to arrest Nenda Musila. That's why I'm here with my council.
Okay.
And my brother Ragadi is here. Already I have Ngomuzungu to witness. I'm going to arrest the Ngomuzungu.
My friend. Enjoy. You need some rice?
Okay. Okay, thank you, my brother. Thank you so much. I'm going to arrest Odonga. We are here. I'm here with my council. I'm bringing my summon to serve this man.
Everything. I mean,
Yes, I'm here to serve this man. God is going to receive my paper.
everything will be fine.
Why are you arresting me?
Why can't you first let us enjoy this sumptuous meal? This is chicken, very delicious, and yeah. Ragadi.
Even Jesus.
Oh yeah.
Even Jesus yasoka kugabula. Alinange. So kamulire mmere ate musamoninge. Yes. Ngena mukyaliye luzira.
Mzee. Don't fire. Can't clear mere.
Buzibu ye si yange. Buzibu ya Dongoto.
The last time I was in Luzira, I was with the mayor, areas Lupapo. And I'm not about to go back there. I would rather run on foot across the border. I'll sort out other things from us.
Can you take something? We are enjoying.
You have a government vehicle. You see. Not yet. You should go to get it. Yeah.
Hey. Double O. Double O is not just simple.
I am not O-O. O-O is Opondo Pondo. I am double O.
Double O.
And do you know how to spell double O?
No.
D-U-D-O-U-B-L-E and capital O.
Hey.
That's my name. not O-O. It's double O.
It's my long-term friend. Okay. And everyone in Uganda is on social media. So I was on social media. And I saw their story. Then I was laughing and I called you. Met each other and I told you, double O, what is happening? I was on my biggest joke with the... I talked about full figure. I said, you think she's out? She's joking. I said, no, but that's my sister. I have her now. Straight away, I called her. then I advise when they meet us to do a lunch or a dinner, and we sit down, as good friends. Me, I'm a man of peace. My other name is called Ceasefire.
Hey.
I saw fire. I saw a lot of talk. Then I said, but and Odonga is a big man, a lawyer, a what, everything. So I told. Then he said, no, you can call her, and then we can have maybe a lunch or a dinner. Then we talk as good friends. So
But Afudde is here to arrest him. Then for you are here.
now the narrative keeps changing. So I called her, and then she said, no, there's no problem. I will meet him tomorrow. And it's good that he called, and then she told us we'll do lunch. So that's how we ended coming up here to make peace, to cease fire, to put some water on the heat. So for me, I'm a man of peace. I'm a man of a few words. All I wanted is Begudeko Wakwatagana, and that is why we are here.
And my sister is not safe.
She's very
Why?
safe.
I'm okay.
She has a
Are you okay?
delegation.
Can you
Why not?
speak to Ngomuzungu?
Yeah.
Ngomuzungu is also your guest.
Hey,
She's bored.
Thank you for letting me be here together with you. Thank you.
Eh?
And she's a powerful lady. She's a PhD. She's a philanthropist, and together with the council Leko, I told them to come. I'm meeting a very important person. So, doctor, professor, this is the important person.
So Afudde is the most important person here.
I am meeting. We are all important, but
But
I'm a TikToker. I have 106,000 followers,
and I'm one of your followers.
and my video that got the biggest views was 600,000 when we were evicting Balalo. The second video that has attracted the biggest view is my encounter with my good friend. It's like two celebrities from different fronts meeting. As I was coming here, I've seen now there are 400,000 views. So I said we should meet. Yeah, even the Bible says, happy are the peacemakers. Theirs is the kingdom of heaven. It's important. We make mistakes in the course of our life, but the most important thing is not how you fall. The most important thing is how you get up when you fall. So I'm glad, thank you, Ragadi, that we are here with full figure. I've hugged her. You don't know how I felt.
I told you.
You told us what?
She's magnetic, Alina power.
So how can you describe the full figure to our viewers?
Actually, now I even want to be a backstage singer for Full Figure. I'll be in all her events. I'm now her promoter. I like her, and she has a very smooth skin. I don't know what oil she uses.
Let me call Bajo, my ex-husband. Let me call Bajo. Bajo, where are you? You come and see those things.
Missing out now.
I'm going to call Bajo.
Come on, please.
Yes. Anyway, let me tell you something. Some people to money because then Sansa whatever never you were here with Odonga. Why are you? Give me a hug, Odonga. And then second. So let me tell you, people. Uganda, we are enjoying. Life is free. Don't panic. Don't take a panic for nothing. Because life is move on. Sometimes omuntu ayayogera ekigambo for like okusaga bakwita batya like a joke, like a joking. Something like joking, like whatever, like the tweet of Mr. Odonga, like for Mr. Mau okufuka Speaker of Parliament. Chiringa full figure kubera Miss Uganda. I'm a Miss World. I'm a bigger than.
And Mao got 15 votes.
Yes.
At least for you, you have a chance of becoming Miss World. But Mao got 15 votes.
a Miss World. I'm a big to be Miss Uganda. You know? So, kunsi tuyina okunyumirwa obulamu. Ate tuyina okuba n'abantu like nga Mr. Odonga Otto. He's a leadership. As a man or season. But to be nga engaging n'abantu like nga Mr. Odonga Otto. Munsi tuyina ofuna emikwano. Ebbanja tuyina muli akwagalana. Mweyagadde mutya, mumuvinga mutya. You get? Tuyina ofuna networking. Social capital is a networking. Some people tebamanyi social capital yaliwa. Because osobola okuba kati nze mbadde siri mukwano gwe right now ndi friend we maybe tomanya network, that is networking, that is social capital. Tomanya mpushinga chenkana ki sobola okufuka supplier we wabo ne try something by you already abadde ali mu system basajja barida babadde mu system bamanyi nnyo musajja yasoma amuvinze. You get so that's life. That's life. Yeah.
And the life is free.
Life is free. Don't panic. Don't feel like some smaller things over some joke things. You take it a bigger still. Like yeah. No. Life is free.
Life is free.
Go
Miss
slow.
World.
Feel free. I'm here, Miss World. I don't go to look what I'm like. My skin is like yeah. Wow. You ask. Last time I'm told you that.
Hugging your heart.
Actually, my wife is in the US, so I told her I'm going for a lunch date with full figure. I joked that a lunch date. And she said, good luck, you're over 18. That you're over 18. But that shows how important this meeting was to me. To meet someone new, to add on your network. It was a very big thing. You see, I'm putting on a very expensive shirt. I was wearing a very expensive perfume evening in Paris. For this lunch meeting. And full figure.
I can see after.
Full figure has life. She has rhythm. There are very few people with rhythm. She has a magnetic personality. The first time, even before we talked, before we said hello, we all hugged. I think that is the time. I say it's very nice to be a Ugandan. So she's from a different walk of life. I'm from a different walk of life. Today we are cross-pollinated. And it will continue. We can even go for a live band somewhere on another day. So when you see us going Paka Chini, when Ragadi is on the microphone, you should not think that
Council, you see?
these people are fighting. No, we know what they're doing.
Council, you were here to arrest this man.
Yeah.
You were just keep quiet. I don't know why.
I already have enough problems, please. I don't want to go and join Bessie wherever he is. I want to be here. I will die here. Before I forget, during Amin's regime, there was a man who went to Kampala Club. And he was so drunk and he abused everyone in the bar. You know, the generals, majors. So those days, if you abuse someone, you must know you are wrong. So they saw someone abusing even a colonel. So they say, Ono Ani. Ono General Chief. So they were now monitoring. So when he left Kampala Club, they followed him to the car. When they followed him to the car, they said, we want to find out his general who. Yeah. Yeah. So they followed him. When he entered this car, he came straight to Parliament. There was no checkpoint. So in Parliament, he held the flag of Uganda and said, if you want to kill me here. I was just drunk. So for me, I'm saying, I mean well. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going to any court. I'm not going to any prison. I will be like the other man. If you want to take me, you take me from here, full figure. But Esanyu is a collab. And
I'm so happy.
we will network.
I see you next time at
We should go for a holiday in Dubai. Or we can go to Bahamas. We go to Bahamas. You know,
You
business class ticket.
Uh-huh.
The moment you enter a plane, they must give you a warm towel.
Uh-huh.
I can't take a holiday, but let's first make money. To collect no money.
Yes,
Kampala they hard.
that's life.
Already you have the money.
Money is there, but cash is not there. That is the problem.
You think Fulfiga can tap into your audience?
She has more than enough capacity.
Sure.
She has more than enough capacity. And by the way, I have only 6 children. Me.
Fulfiga ina abana.
That may be private.
I have many kids.
Ina abana bamekaba kuzala. Omukulu alina mukaaga era mama ataddeyo obwana bubiri.
I'm a mother. All kids.
Otuguzaabuza omusajja ayagala muzaddeyo obwana babiri.
I'm a mother, all kids. That is it. I'm a Muganda by tribe. I'm a mother, all kids.
She's ready.
All
Hey,
kids.
what are you insinuating?
Very ready. Where are your kids?
What are you saying?
Where dealer G? Where dealer?
Wamanyi where dealer G?
I am in Ndila Nchima, Atalina Muchira. Bampita Dungu, Otto Dungu. So don't insinuate anything. We may be from the same clan.
I'm going to take you to Katikiro's place.
Or Rakatende.
I see that. From another protected clan.
Mchara wange.
Ngeye.
Did I forget my clan? I think I'm also from Gay.
You know Ngeye. You are from Nchima.
I'm from Nchima, Atalina Muchira.
Nchima and Ngeye. Cancel.
Miss Warudi abantu bakugamba ndota.
I'm okay.
Your new catch.
I'm okay with it. I'm okay.
You're very okay.
I'm enjoying.
You're enjoying life.
That's life.
Life is what?
Life is free. Feel free. Don't panic. I'm free. My cancel. The cancel. Wagido soyo. Muka. Ngomuzungu.
They're carrying a lot of problems.
I'm okay with my move. How do you feel?
I love it so much. I'm feeling free.
Feel free.
I'm feeling free.
You're feeling free.
I love her so much. It's
Oh,
wonderful. Hey, I'm so happy to be here together.
thank you, my sister.
I come from Karamoja. The country of Karamoja.
Your country is Karamoja.
Yes,
That's nice. Yeah.
My name is Uganda.
Even if you're not can you imagine?
No, just posting. What's your name? Full figure. Everyone knows full figure. Even in America.
Mama flower to you. Even America. Baba kumanyi.
Of course. Hey, people are following. These days, internet right there.
Ati ababantu babamanyi. Balina abazungu babamanyi.
And we are glad to be with her.
Now the latest even some clients come to me.
Ndi wano wagamba.
You see Nambo today.
Nabagamba.
But what you want to
I'm so beautiful. You ask this man.
Yeah. Ask me.
You ask this.
She is. Are you blind? Are you putting on glasses? Can't you see? Can't you see? Can't you see?
So we are serious. That
I'm a Miss World.
If she's contesting, for me I am available. That's why we are going to Bahamas. We are going to Turkey to prepare. You know,
Yes.
Yeah, to prepare to study.
Udin. Ofachi.
Yeah.
What I got to do?
So you're going to contest next year, Miss Uganda.
Yes.
Miss Uganda, Miss World.
But
I'm a Miss World right now.
Oh,
Yes. I'm going to take, even in Uganda, I'm going to take it. Gwejibare ni najitutedda.
Olinacha Miss Uganda, Miss World at the same time.
Solemererwa, sibera bansinga nze sisingibwa. Nze njenna. Kalala. Look at me.
Singo biseera.
Singo biseera ndibasa. Nabebere. Ilinge mpumumpu.
Odonga Otto.
Afa.
How are you feeling?
I'm happy. I'm happy. I like assertive women. I like confident women. That is how the world is.
Yes,
So-
yes, that is well. Yes. Ejajalagadde we mulabaawo.
Ragati. Olufigo omulabi ensi namba eryawe. Atuusizza abazungu.
Olaba jajja wakana amanyi.
Atuusizza abazungu ensi namba.
Yeah, we have de-escalated.
Nkubira omuwodongo Otto omugambe yatutadde mukazi we. Mukazi wadde omuzanyisa.
The whole thing is
nakkiriza ate negamba kiga nakkiriza ng'ogwange gwa sizipa amangu mangi bagaleze just ssanyu lyokka lyokka
Amutwala Bahamas.
byonna byonna bajja
Ibiza.
programu zonna bajja
Oli
zikole
wankwana. Ndi wano ejjajalagadde mukwe.
Ekyo kirungi.
It's nice.
Naye ku lufiga w'amaanyi lwakyo bannange. Nze nga mmulabanga akoma ematiiti tayisa ku madirisa.
Osaaga muzungu agame even America bamanyize.
Bakufa. Even in America. They sing her name.
Full figure. Full figure, yes.
Full figure.
Musema atolya. Ate gwe. Bakuwe.
Mwanyinaze abawagizi bwe babuuza. Owulira otya kubanga oli mu kulya kyamisana na muzungu kati.
I'm okay. I'm okay. That's Zwarot. That's Zwarot. I'm okay.
That's the world.
Yeah, that's the world.
The whole world.
The whole world.
in Spanish we
World
say
is
Del
world.
Mundo.
That's world.
She's what?
In Spanish, the world we say Del Mundo.
Telemundo.
Del Mundo. Yeah.
Oh.
You know, I stayed in Spain for 3 years. I even speak their language. When I lost the last election,
You can
I went
speak their language?
Yes. When I lost the last election, I went to Madrid,
Hey.
and I just stayed there. I tried to become white. I failed. But I learned their language, and I came back with a sports law, with a master's in sports law. We are now 2 international sports lawyers in Uganda. Me and Fidel Utafire.
Oh.
Yeah. So we sell players to the outside world.
Oh.
So next time we are going to sign any player in France, I will go with full figure.
You go with the full figure.
Part of the delegation.
Eh.
Yeah.
Okyawakana.
Ogenda
So-
France, Paris.
Yeah. Actually, I wanted to sell Uchaya, but I'm having.
Ebyo bakalala bye tufuna.
Eno babuuza embwa yo yalidde gwe ng'olya.
Embwa nagikodera take away.
Eh? Embwa yo yalidde ku yogati. Oba egenda kunywa rokopo.
Ate rock boom, but you told
Olowooza ndaba ne ma-
one
ndaba ne
level, ya
masikini.
Red Bull, bichi rock boom.
Olowooza masikini olowooza evaawa.
Okay.
For hot dogs.
Olowooza nduddewa masikini evaawa.
Okagulira mbwa byakwe. Banna.
Mu shopping.
Matofu.
And this is a presidential advisor. Senior presidential advisor, Mulamba. Some of you just see the president on TV, and or when you go to Kololo, you see him from 1 kilometer away. So to my immediate right are people who sit on the same table with the president. He's not a small person. I've also had that opportunity more than 4 times on a one-to-one where they're consulting me. Just yesterday, I wrote to the president about football in Uganda. So to me, the most important thing in this meeting is for people to know that politics is not about life and death.
Yeah.
You can have your highs, you can have your lows.
Yes.
Whoever knew that a senior member of opposition then would have lunch and a cordial moment
Yeah.
with senior presidential advisor, full figure. And I will keep improving my Luganda. I've now started with proverbs. I've started with proverbs. I now know like 3 proverbs. I hope they will not be out of context. They say, Akaliada kadada. Okoliada kadada. You want to translate that?
What does it mean?
Akada kadada.
Sheila can translate.
Mamugisa, I barely know anything. Maybe I tried the version.
Yes. Okoliada kadada.
Akada kadada. I know in Uganda. I know that.
What does it mean? Where are you? Where are you? Where you work is where you work is where you eat is where you work more. Switch it to Akaliada kadada.
No, it means
I don't.
that you can do something wrong today, and then it comes maybe it haunts you like after a year or another.
Oh yeah. How did my mind?
Kadada.
Chitufu. No, that is even why this meeting.
Is it true?
Very true.
So now I've learned the meaning. Then another one, wanawolira. Usekachi. Now that you are a good translator.
I've tried.
What about the second one? Wanawolira.
Wanoworira.
It's not a proverb. Maybe you put it better. Polish it.
Oh, now it is even.
Buzibuye, I know Buzibuye.
I know
Buzibuye, Uganda. Uganda is a Buzibu.
Hey, you offered to teach him. What are the examples of example and for?
Jajaragadi is the one.
You are going to start having some evening lessons.
Now,
And by the way, in 1984, I was here at Clement Hill Road. I was in Makinon kindergarten. I would speak Luganda very well. 1983, 84. We were in Makinon kindergarten. Luganda was my first language. Now my father decided that I was going to lose my tribe, that I am an Acholi. I was going to be a Muganda. They should take me to Gulu to learn Acholi language. My first language was Luganda. So they deported me from Kampala. And by that I was privileged. On Uganda Airlines. Uganda Airlines, we were flown from Kampala to Gulu Airfield on Uganda Airlines. That is when I learned Acholi. So I cannot believe I forgot Luganda. So if I had not gone back, I think I would have been tribeless. Because I would have the heart of an Acholi, but the language of, you know. So I've forgotten Luganda.
what I have realized here, she's going to teach you Luganda, Farare, to teach her English, and Ujoli well. Evening, she teaches in English, in evening, then you in the morning.
What do you think about that? Ololime actually, but do you know anything? Kopango. Hey, full figure. You're a national figure. You should know a little bit of languages. Then you see, yeah, Apoyo.
Kope.
Hey, Kope. You see, you should know a little bit. And when you go to Mbarara, you say Agandi, they say Nimaruni. You go to Teso, Biaibo Teso, Yokona, I below Sijo. You go to Karamoja, Nakanai, I Lupai.
That's Uganda.
You go to Acholi, you go to West Naringoni, Mke. You should have a little bit of.
That
you
is
come
Uganda.
To Lomasaba. I didn't want to say, no, Kodeo Balio in Misoga. They say Mulembe. Yeah. So you should say Kopango. You answer Kope. I'm teaching you.
Hey,
Kopango, you say Kope.
Kope.
So when they say Amiri, you say Amiri Bene.
Amiri Ben.
Eh.
Hey, Chickens, I love you too.
You just told him that you love
Hey,
him.
Ragadi. Ragada Jatutunda.
There's a song like that.
Yeah.
And it was no one to beat the woman. Anyagamaleng.
Anyagamaleng. You know what that song means? That beautiful woman, why are you crying? Beautiful man, why are you crying? Everyone loves you. Please don't cry.
Chetutageza.
Ukabachi.
Sure.
In Acholi.
Where will you go to? Yeah, that's Uganda. Yes, that's true.
You should promise today. You teach me Luganda. We can have the session once or twice a week. Then for me, I teach you Acholi. For you, you know English.
It's okay. Nuruddin,
English is not
what
on the
manager?
menu.
You understand that?
Hey, Sagala ya Bongereza. It's not on the menu.
Yes.
That one is for the...
Yeah.
So next time we come, we'll full figure out. We'll first address the press conference in Luganda, and then then we speak in Acholi for 5 minutes.
Bas. That's Uganda.
Then how do they greet in Spanish?
Hola, simple. Hola.
Then you reply.
Is reply hola, and then when they say good morning, buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes is buenos dias is good evening.
Hey.
You know. Yeah.
Pola,
So, like now, I want to say I'm very happy. Then I would say, estoy muy feliz. I'm very happy.
Hey.
To be with Mohe, with this woman, Mohe. Yeah. So we keep cross-pollinating.
That is French.
So, madam, I'm your friend.
Yeah.
You should store my phone number. You should start sending me emojis. We should be friends. When you have an event, you invite me. When I have an event in Bade, I will take you.
Okay.
We should be friends for life.
Yes.
Sagala stress.
Yeah.
Sagala stress.
That's
There's
right.
a comment here. Miss Uganda and Mr. Uganda.
Whatever the comment, we welcome it. Words have no meaning. The meanings are in the
What is
people who say them.
Odongoto's phone? What work at the Odongoto? Go live.
The phone, she's calling. I'll give this a very important number. I want to save it myself. I want to save it myself.
No, that's the mama to the deco.
Live.
Hey, ku TikTok ye. Machindi.
Yeah, now even is for me I stay in Namasuba, so that is a good. Every time I'm going home, I'll carry matoke nakati. Chenyanja, I drop there, then I just go to.
You'll be looking for her.
And I just go to Deje.
Kajalagadi is my neighbor. To sure you Bagagga. Ragadi. Zenjagala nyo na reboto. He's a free man.
Yeah, free soul.
No
Meeting ngenda abantu bagamba ki evuddemu nsi
abantu mbagamba ekigambo kimu
bana baloza that it is a wedding meeting.
It's not a meeting wedding. Abantu nze kyensobola okugamba abana Uganda tulina okuyiga okwagalana n'okwagala ensi yaffe n'okwagala bana Uganda ate n'okulaba buli kintu n'okirabira in love notakirabira mu position ya bukyayi. You get so all about some small things olina nyiga mangu because I don't know, some people are in stress, I don't know, but olina afuna mind nga buli kyolabo kirabira mu psychologically go kiraba nga kibi. You get
I get
tuyiga okweyagala kwagala ensi yaffe okwewagira okubeera nga tuli basanyufu because Uganda is our country. Tetugenda kubeera abantu bansi ndala. Uganda first, Africa second. Buli lw'oyagala abantu mu nsi yo ate noyongera ku networking yo oyongerako n'ennyingi zaayo enfunayo. That is Uganda.
so networking, social capital.
Yeah, that's social capital. So muno mu nsi buli muntu yeetaaga munne. Twetaaga okweyongerako n'okumanya bingi n'okuyiga bingi. By then luli abantu nga bano ba Honorable Odonga tutwalwangawo baatuukako. Nze namumitingako one day one time ewa Jerusalem Sale. mu makaga jeno sale namusangayo nga nange ngenze okulaba jeno naye lwakuba yali azze kulaba jeno nga jeno ate tutwali ba mukwano era nga mbuuza honorable how are you something like nagenda ku mirimu gy'eggwanga. So secondly nti tulina mu ggwanga tulinamu abantu abali free oba abali freestyle free mind like batono nga wolaba Odonga Otto Honorable Munyagwa Honorable Tayebwa abantu batono abali abamanyi like omanyi tulina kati twayingiramu life endala society reality humanity forcing reality tetusobola kwewala reality oba your life that is your life so waliwo ebintu bitasobola kwewala kati twayingirwa mu social media nejja mu bulamu bw'abantu mu nsi yonna si Uganda only olina okuyiga okwandoringa social media okwasesinga bakiya boosangako entegera yabwe eri etya obamanya you get kati ebyo byonna humanity yebikulembera. That's why we're here tufunye lunch tufunye some words. I'm here with my council, I'm here with my Jaja Ragadi, I'm here with my sister Mzungu. We're having fun. That's life. Dr. Val Romero, yeah. That's life. So,
she's from Spain?
No. She's from America, but she lives in Karamoja. So she came all the way from Karamoja. She's driving a car with a big cow horn down there for this meeting. So this is very important.
Yeah, I see that car here. Yeah. So, tulina okuyiga obulamu. Karamoja tuwabeerayo tubadde Karamoja for 6 months. Geno sale yatutumayo. Yeah. No problem. Yes. Ye nga asobodde okujja era nange it must. Yes, azze n'akyala nange njagenda nkyali. That's life. That's life. That's Uganda. Yes. Yeah. Yes. By the way, let me tell you something.
Jakuataka.
Abantu abamu betusi. Bampadde n'ettaka.
Ono promise Jakuataka. Eka bbiri. Yagwerere. Oba tugende enkya tugende kupime 2 acres. Yagwerere. This is a promise. Let it be on record. And I should tell the people of Pade in the local language. Luakme achori dagdong ameno ngam ekario. Kado o echaro kayo chepo pa la ku mandong begu. I've given you 2 acres and I'm a clan leader.
Yes.
I'm the chairman of the Mogi clan. So I've said I've given her 2 acres. So even if you don't want to come yourself, you can get your young brothers. They go and farm.
Thank you, my brother.
And you incorporate.
That's my gift.
In Acholi. So that is a gift. 2 acres of land.
That's my gift. Hey. Thank you, my big bro.
Yeah, 2 acres.
That is a gift.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah. Omanyi.
I'll give her.
Uganda tulina okuyiga. Uganda ebintu byetulina okusooka okuyiga okwasasinga n'abantu. Twekuumira nnyo mu butamanya. Ate twekuumira nnyo mu kwerimba. Ntero bagamba nti success and fair based on reason and reality. Sometimes abantu beekuumira nnyo mu butamanya oba mu kwerimba. Naye njagala okugamba nti buli muntu yeetaaga munne. Twetaaga okuyiga bye tutamanyi. Twetaaga connections, twetaaga networking. By the way, nsobola okugamba ekigambo kimu. Honorable Otto be basajja bemanyi abali strong mu parliament abayimirira ku kigambo kyabwe tebeerimba abasajja abagezi abamanyi ekyokukola era abaakola simanyi nakumanya oba lwaki yabivaamu bayakoba I don't know. I know that. Naye era ne waberedde MP be basajja abali strong abayimirira ku kigambo kyabwe. Omusajja ayimirira ku kigambo kye still nga so kiddamu n'enkya you get abatalina fear abaterimba omanyi okulimba si kubi naye kasota niko kukkiririza mu birimbo byo. Some people ba pretendinga. That's why nkugambye humanity efesinga reality in real life ate bitambulira wamu because no one olimba wano the same time the same whatever ogenda kufesinga ki facts Odonga to basajja abaliberanga mu parliament nga bastandinga ku facts na standinga ku kigambo kye na standinga nga ne wasigala mu bible tugamba nti obera ku mazima ne osigala oli muwanguzi kyovola basiwera leader akalamida so zenjagala bagamba ekigambo kimu okweyagala mu nsi yaffe kisinga n'okwewagira tukulembeza nnyo Uganda ne bana Uganda because buli kintu kikolebwa buli ekikolebwa mu nsi oba kitambula n'abantu ensi abantu abatali n'ensi teberawo business zibaawo whatever tulekeraawo okwerabanga kati oyinza ogamba honorable meeting at a full figure why not I'm a Ugandan no okay. I'm a president's advisor but even nga siri president's advisor I'm a Ugandan ngatako emu ogigatako emu ekola ki tomanya ebintu ng'ebyo singa tubyejjamu
Matuput means reconciling. But in our case, you only matuput when blood has poured. This was just a small bullet leaving the magazine because the safe was not. So this one, actually, is not a level of matuput. You just have lunch and talk over it and say.
But let me tell you something. The smaller joke, ya Odonga to. Mfunye abantu awabweru wegwanga oba honorable baba another classes nga bankubira ku simu nga basanyufu baseka you are going to arrest Odonga to I said yes nga baseka nengolaba class bali mu America bali wa Canada wa bankubira California
balemete kono bagala wesimiro ku Miss Uganda next year. They want you to contest.
Is a Miss World.
Now you have a
no, Miss Uganda na chibalekera na chitako. I'm a class, I'm a Miss World.
Miss World.
Yes, I'm a class above. So but echo nacho kya abana balala.
That is now for holiday. Miss Uganda is now for holiday makers, I think. For people who are 16 years.
Yes,
18.
yeah.
For us now, we are almost grandparents. Almost.
So, ndi musanyufu. Ndi musanyufu nnyo okusinkana honorable Odonga Otto, okusinkana my sister, my counsel is here, Jaja Lagadi is here, another one is here. So that's life. That's life. That's life. I'm okay with it. Attend him musanyufu. I'm so happy for that. I think n'abantu bali basanyufu. Abantu basanyufu nnyo I see because there are many people. Even Mzai Senkubuge. Do you know Mzai Senkubuge?
I know.
Mzai Senkubuge yasese katafe. Yasese. Even today azanyera video ya Odonga Otto na seka. Program, yes, program name mulema nemgaba gojafa. Like I like that man. So that's life.
But now,
tukumenga tusanyuka nga tuseka.
And you know, now that we are here, some could be watching live, some would stream. Just some small message from my side. One, the youth, we should work.
Yeah.
Let us learn to work. Let us learn to work. We should avoid consumption before work. At least you should get up and do some work. Governments everywhere in the world can only do what citizens cannot do for themselves. Take it. The governments do only what citizens cannot do for yourself. So, Ugandan youth, you're following two of us here. Let's embrace work. Secondly, alcoholism. I don't take alcohol. I don't. But Uganda is the second in alcohol consumption in the world. The other countries which consume a lot of alcohol because it is cold. In Spanish, we say tengo frío. It's cold, so you have to warm yourself with the Uganda water again. But this is a very nice weather. So our people should reduce a little bit on alcoholism and embrace hard work. Thirdly, which may be controversial, try to avoid the law catching you. The law, mateka, breaking the law, stealing, mobile phones, carrying guns, bundu, subversion, that you're going to carry a gun to go and join ADF, LRA, to fight government. Don't let anyone deceive you to do that. The youth, don't let anyone deceive you. If you see anything suspicious, report to the nearest.
But they want to overthrow the government.
But you have to use lawful means. The moment you decide to use unlawful means, you get yourself into trouble. So keep away from trouble. Can you imagine the whole of Besije is now 2 years in Luzira? Besije Mulamba. The whole of Besije, the wife works in the UN, chairperson UN AIDS. We need the UN. Besije is in Luzira. Yeah. So if they get you from Abaitababiri, Katwe, that you are trying to overthrow government, they will finish you. So these are not normal times. Better be careful, better safe. Avoid those, better steady. Avoid those kind of what? Subversive things. And this is very important as a presidential advisor. You should emphasize Uganda so that the youth can what? Can know. Things are hard. Terry said there is no money in circulation. Everything is hard. You try this, Ghana, but we keep praying to God. So siasa ya bufuzi. The politics is now getting over. It is time for work. Yeah. Arsenal has already won the season. Yeah. When there was Arsenal, Man U, Liverpool, they were competing. But now Arsenal is the winner until the next season. Yeah. So whether you like it or not, President Museveni has been declared the winner. He has already been sworn in. So better Genda 1C, Sirika, go down, work, and then we wait after 5 years and we see what will happen. Be safe, safety first. You see where Bobby Wine is? He's safe.
Yeah.
I even told him, I said, my friend, don't come back here. Yakusiba, they will. You want to join Besije there? So safety first. Uganda is not going anywhere. Uganda is here. Yes. And we are still young people. Better safe. Tomenya Mateka. When you see the police, get away from them because they will cause you problems. I want you to emphasizing on Uganda. It's a very important point. Yes. Because even the president and presidential advisors and the government will say, okay, we met, but what message did we give to the youth?
Ebisinga byayogedde bituufu kubanga even President Museveni yabadde ayogera ekololo nga balonda speaker yayogedde ku kintu ky'okuba nga ayagala bwe yali alayira mu kisanja yagamba ekisanja no more sleep abantu ne batakitwala seriously n'atandikirawo immediately bwe yabadde alayiza ba speaker yayogedde n'agamba no matter what oba oli prime minister oba olyani I never mind, I don't care, but njagala kulaba nga abantu bakola bali fine era bwe nakusanga nenjja nga abantu bali bubi nja kugoba yakyogedde operane. So onale bwe kyagezezaako gamba bakyentegedde oba kyensobola nange okwongerezako ku ekyo akubiriza abavubuka okwettamira mu kukola. Ayogedde ku Arsenal already yawangudde for long time kati yawangudde season era ekintu kiri kimu ne President Museveni yayogedde ku Arsenal n'agamba mwampise mbu ngene celebrating for Arsenal for what you get. So mbadde leero ndi ku TV ne tulaba ng'omwana wa Man U yasowa Arsenal really omuntu n'afiira mu buntu bwe bityo. So honorable kyagezako kubiriza abavubuka kwe kukola abagambe bwani ali safe yagenda n'abagambo yagala kubeera beesi agambe baba beesi ali luzira for 2 years. What about you? And now government in Uganda yoweri tegenda kuvaawo Uganda era ejja kusigalawo nga Uganda. So nyongera okubiriza abavubuka okukola n'okwettanira project za government egezezaawo nnyo okuterawo biki bye tuba twesigamako okukola. Tuleme kwekubagiza nnyo kugamba kino kyannema buli lwomalamu essuubi buli lwoggwamu amaanyi gekenyi tewala agenda gakuteekamu. Sometimes abamu boogera ndi mwavu nomubuuza okola mulimu ki wano omulimu gwakola gwennyini tagulina nomubuuza ozukka saameka nga nesaawa entuufu zazukka tazimanyi nze nina abantu bendabirako nga ba ajamis kigundu bano bakanso shira saawa 11:12 aba ali bweru ayazuukuse dda n'omukubira kansoli luda wanagamba natuuse dda mutaano bali adi working ate ng'olaba nga abaamaledde oba abaakoledda even president Museveni yennyini akubira essimu ku saawa 10 nga yayimuse musale mumulaba akola 24 hours because ate nga betwandowooza nti bo baamala maybe bo balina noke tasobola kubulwa mmere. What about you? So nze mbagambe ekigambo kimu tukole kulembeza Uganda ku mutima. Uganda first, Africa second. Bro yagala ensi yo so ke twagala ensi yaffe tumanye nti tuli banna Uganda. That is it. Oba mbi oba nnungi oba mukulembeza aliko tomwagala oba omwagala, Uganda is your country. Ekyo njagala kyetekemu mu mind omanye nti buli kintu kyokola ekikosa Uganda naawe kikosezaamu ng'omuntu because Uganda is your country. First love your country. Oyagala n'abantu abali mu nsi yo oba oyagala kyenyi oba toyagala kyenyi, first love your country. Togenda kubeera muntu wansi ndala.
Patriotism.
Uganda first. Mu bintu byonna by'oba okulembeza Uganda. Uganda first, Africa second. Because Uganda is your country. Bwe tunaagala ensi yaffe ne tugikuuma ng'eri safe ne twekuuma nga bana Uganda nga newankubadde olina kyogamba nti kino kyandibadde bwe kiti tukugaana because you have a freedom of speech, you have a freedom. Ssemateeka y'eggwanga bawa mu article 16E ekuwa obuyinza obw'enkomerero ekuwa eddembe gwe munansi okwetaba mu kintu ky'eggwanga Uganda kyonna naye olina okumanya wookoma. Eddembe bwe erikuwadde olikozesezza otya, weeyisiza otya, emikwano gifunye otya. So abadde atukubiriza abavubuka naddala abavubuka Honorable Odonga tabadde abakubiriza okukola ennyo. Ayogedde ku mwenge n'agamba abantu mu nsi z'Ebulaaya banywa omwenge because babeera ensi zinyogoga nnyo. That's why batekinga omwenge babugumemu oba bafune you get something. Naye ffe Uganda ina weather eri nakyo. You get tewali nsonga kimutamira. By the way nange sinywa mwenge. Ate nze sikoma butagunywa nguwalana. Sikolagana batamivu. Even my friends sina banywi ba mwenge. Yeah, kuba tetugenda kwogera kingo otamidde. Nze sina musajja nnyo mange in fact so amwagalanze. I tell you. Ate simulina. Bajeche kya munnemya. Bajjo kubya munnemya kwe kutamira na erabira ne wayingira. Oyo musange wana mwandu. Oga isajja kino bannange. Nojo kikuba ku mutwe kitte. Nojjukiro kinamu omwana. So okutamira si kulungi nako. Njagala mbabulire amazima gali reality. Nakugambye reality facing your life. Okutamira si kulungi. Some people banywa omwenge ne bucha kumacha ngari mubala kusawa nyanga kyali mubala state. Ezo kumacha. Nga tamanyi we yasuza tamanyi wali n'asiibayo. Ayina n'abaana abatewaka. That is bad. Ekyo okutegera kya buntu n'okufumintiriza. Reason as the world masterpiece. Tutandika okufumintiriza ngaffe otegeere. Ate manya kyoyagala, what do you want? Abantu amuntu bamanyi bye baagala baliwo fona baliwo bubeezi. Bamanyi n'okukabira abafa abatali baabwe buli mufu ku kyala alina omuziika.
Aziika buli afu.
N'atuukayo ng'akaaba maama omukazi annuma ennyo nga baziika musajja ne gundi.
Bali ku mwana gwe.
Eyafudde mwana ate mulenzi okaabira ani omutuufu. Buli mufu gw'olina okgenda, buli mmotoka egenda kutuwa gwagenda, buli kinyume, buli kivulu ekibeerayo nga tewali kivulu kiwali omisinze. Please. Mugamba Uganda njavu mweyita baavu naye nga tewali kivulu ky'omisinga njagala otule wansi weebaleebale. Omwezi ospendinga how much? Some people baspending okusinga kye bayingiza. Olaba abaana abali amayirungi abwe muyita bageto abali poor, very poor guys. Akaera ku macha nali amayirungi etulya 15 nalirako bigiji wa 13 ako kanana dikwasa masanda nanywa amazzi gana gachupa 3 gabiribiri wali mugumu kitundu. You get ate wobirya enjala ebere kuluma nnyo byenda bloga ya wano neno byenda bikola ki natandika okulya bikomando bya 3 emirundi eji awali mu ebiri go ito mwavu oyo poor guy. You get oyo alonde bichupa oyo nibatekako n'obwenge balina obwenge obwo banyiga bo bakola bati obwo ogenda okwekanga ng'omwana paka saa mukaago gw'emisana kuva ku macha yakakozesa emitwalo 4 naye akugamba nti mwavu tanaba kumanya savinga ki ayingiza ki aspendinga ki. Ekyo kintu kikulu nnyo. Soko manyo spendinga how much oyingiza kimeka era olya meka. Nze ndabira abaana bali mu arcade naddala abaana abawala abantama. That's why nacha arcades Akedi omwana ali mu dduuka lya milioni 5 buli mwezi. Capital gwalinamu wa mitwalo 7. Naye ali mu lenti atudde awo alinawo obugoye n'obupalepale ajja n'akola lipstick n'akola n'atuula alina iPhone 7 million oba 5 million ali mu dduuka n'omubuuzi ogenda kujja wa lenti ng'alina abasajja 5 basasula lenti n'atakomaako ku makya asaba breakfast nga yakatuuka katogo kagumu 2 n'asabirako obutunda ziba ziyingira saa 6 n'ayita kabalagala owa kamunali give me some pancake sawa 8 awo n'asaba ensenene n'ayita enswa bring some nswa ow'ebinyeebwa n'ayitawo n'amuyita aba ayingira lanchi awo n'atumya lanchi ng'eriko kasoda abyona tannamanya nakoze oba sinakola byonna abiri alina sasula waggulo muba muyingira mwenda obunyama ne bujja buwunya baba bukola bati obunyama bw'omwakedi owulira kanyama nga kawunya no bunyama come and give me some kajama babuna ogenda okula mpa ekikopo ky'obuugi njagala kirimu amata olw'eggulaawo ogenda okutuukawo mu 12 nkolako akasige make up give me some kasige and the lipstick that's on rare I have 20k you got at least some kasige oyingiza meka wakakola sente meka you get so
consuming without working
exactly and saving so kyenkulembeza Uganda is my country buli muna Uganda mwagala njaga tubeere safe nebaza nnyo Katonda lw'okuba nti yatuwa President Museveni father of the nation atrayinzeeko era akola kyalina okola Jerusalem Salena yagezezaako nnyo okulaba nga at least mindset change agezaako okugamba abantu kubanga Uganda tuli ku bulimi na bulunzi era operation wale secretion mulaba ekoze nnyo okulaba nga at least byebimu kubikoze bye byakola n'akalulu PDM ne wale secretion bye byakola akalulu ka president Jerusalem Salena yagabanga emwanyi ng'abantu akuba bakube bampaka limemwanyi kati bakungula tebamunyega ng'abasirikale bazitwala ku mpaka so alina ettaka please keep your land ettaka liri very expensive ate ensi yeekula yala buli mwezi bazaala abantu luli twali miliyoni meka census yabala naye sikiwa nti yabala bulungi tuleka tuli miliyoni nga 6 at least I think census teyabala bulungi bantu even me tebambala that's why yes tebajja wange kumbala that's why nkugamba tebabala yes so I think tuli bangi ate tulina tribes Uganda yensa ina tribes there are many tribes tulina tribes abakati nkago batano bakongo bachiva Eritrea them even my sister is a Ugandan right now you get so bano bajja ne bala abantu Uganda is from Karamoja Uganda is a good country ne investing mu gwanga lyaffe ne bakola ne batuwa emirimu you get so tukolere wamu tutwale Uganda maso naffe tusobole okuba nga tuli balamu so kanso sira tana bakogera ne jajalaga divaina even my sister I know quite something
mediator yeah
even kato
Jenjagalo bagamba ndi musanyufu nnyo nti ekigambo ceasefire kikulu nnyo
yeah
ekigambo love kirungi kutantono ekiri very important tulina okwagalana nti gibyatandikidde nga bya busuubu gibigweredde nga bya connection waliwo gyebaita networking Odonga Otto yali talabangako full figure bwati maaso awo bali tebahagingangako today they have hugged together they are happy they have shared a meal for lunch
and phone number
that
Phone number.
and phone number
and he has got the phone number because when he told me do you have a number I said I have the number let me call her I called her straight away and when I called her she was very receptive she said bagati tukole wanayagalira tubitinge hata nodi njagala kwebaza kwa nakubite nogamba to come make sure my sister abeerawo and this is the real Uganda
yeah
Uganda entuufu enokubeera nti yinza okunyizaamu katono and you'll be happy in the next minute
yeah
nti waliwo abalowoozeza nti omuliro gugenda okukwata gujje weeku naleka video nga fulufika gamba jiramuke mwemani awutusewo so what I'm trying to say is we need to love each other They've also connecting about that. For me, what I did to make sure that Odonga talks to her, and they are happy. Now tomorrow, we'll figure we'll be going to receive her land to farm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Eka Bidi.
Every
2 acres.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hey,
It is the most fertile land in Uganda.
where?
Padel.
I know Padel.
Kakati farm esinga okuba ennene
Yes.
yesinga okuba.
Genocide yansindika Padel.
Kakati gwe bakuwa ente bonna bakuwa ente.
Hey.
What I'm trying to say is, omukwano,
Yeah.
then the connection. Don't we have to sort of connecting and all. So at the end of the day, I didn't know I'm going to meet my sister.
Yeah.
And I met her today.
Yeah.
Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
So because when you came, we greeted each other and, we're happy and we did. This is a very good moment
Yes.
that we have shared together.
Yeah.
And all we need is love. For me, my part is done. I'm called Mr. Ceasefire. I'm very happy.
Thank you. But let me clear the air. On my side, tewabadde obusungu.
Nga walese ne lawyer mulamba.
Lawyer is my lawyer is a part of my some issues. So by the way, sabadde na busungu. I think that is when I treat, like just laugh like Kiranga Wenseka. Let me reply. How come I have my big brother, Muoz Kanerugaba, I have my sister Natasha. I'm so beautiful, I'm here, the world, all world I'm here. Hey, Otto, what are you saying? Let me so something like that, because that's life. You get? So tell about me.
Oyina ekibuuzo kyonna ky'obuuza your sister from Kalamoja.
No question, but I'm so happy to see
Doctor, we were making peace.
You come and visit us there.
you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Anytime, okay, thanks. Thank you, my sis. Yeah.
Okay.
Ate kanso sira. Say something.
Sheila, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Ojja kwogera Luganda.
I'm a Luzungu.
Lwa Luzungu.
Solo forget all the guys.
You better Luzungu.
Sanyu okubeera wano ne kanso munnange ono senior council ne client wange Fulfiga Miss Uganda ne Miss Universe n'omugenyi waffe okuva e Karamoja ne kanso munnange ne chief mediator waffe Ragadi tweyanziza nnyo for putting us together. When that video first came out, client wange yanfudde n'angamba, is it a joke or is it real? Ngamba, it's a joke. Ngamba, you are beautiful. Yet Seka. So, of course, as the chief mediator said, we need to cease fire. Not everything is about fighting. We need to love our country beyond political affiliation. And yes, as senior council has mentioned, we need to work. As one, we can make Uganda better. That's all I wanted to say.
Okay, our photo moment.
Our photo moment.
Where is our studio? Yeah, I did the like.
I think we can stand.
Yeah, yeah.
Have a hug.